the inverse of the matrix 2 of this matrix that has entries 2 1 1 1 is what? So we are told to find the inverse of this matrix here. Now let's look at this problem generally. Assuming you have a matrix, let's call our matrix A, and assume this matrix here has entries say A, B, C and D. Now to find the inverse of this matrix, the formula for finding the inverse of the matrix A is just 1 divided by the determinant of A, then multiplied by, now this is where the magic happens. So let's open this matrix here. Now what you're going to put in these entries here is, so the first thing is A and D, you change their position. So D takes the place of A while A takes the place of D. So this becomes D and this becomes A. Then while the entries you have there, you leave them the way they are. That is, you have B, you have C. The only difference is that this time around they have a negation sign in front of them. So again, if you have a 2 by 2 matrix, that is a 2 square matrix, and you're told to find the 2 square matrix, the first thing you do is you find the determinant of the matrix itself, then you find the reciprocal of the matrix. Now multiply the determinant, that is the reciprocal of the determinant, by this matrix here. Now what you have in this matrix is just the same entries you have here, but a permutation of their positions. So in other words, what you have in A takes the position of D. As you can see here, A has taken the position of D and D has taken the position of A. And the B and C, they stay where they are. The only difference is that this time around they have a negation symbol there. Now we're going to use this technique in finding the determinant of the matrix that we are given. Now the matrix we are given is 2 1 1 1. Now let's call our matrix B. So this is our matrix here, and like we said here, our aim is that we want to find B inverse. So we want to find this. Now to find B inverse, this is the first step you do. You find the determinant of B. So let me find the determinant of B. Now the determinant of B is just simply this times this, that is 2 times 1 minus this times this, 1 times 1. And this is just going to give you 2 negative 1, which is 1. Now we have our determinant. Now the next thing is you reciprocate the determinant. That is 1 divided by the determinant of B. And this is just going to give you 1 all over 1, which is 1. So therefore, the inverse of B is just simply 1 divided by this, which is 1 times, so we said the position you have here must be what you have here, that is 1 takes the position of 2 and 2 takes the position of 1. So what you're going to have is going to be 1 and you have 2 here. Then we said the entries you have here, you leave them the way they are, that is, this becomes 1 and this is 1. The only difference is that this time around they have a negation symbol there. You have a negation here, you have a negation here. So this is just the inverse of the matrix. So 1 times anything is still the same thing, so your inverse is just 1, negative 1, negative 1 and 2. So this is the inverse of the matrix. So let's see our option. 1 negative 1 negative 1 2, 1 negative 1 negative 1 2. So this is our solution.